planets in our solar system. The first one is Mercury. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun, is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. The Sun would appear more than 3 times as large from the surface of Mercury as it does from Earth, and the sunlight would be up to 7 times brighter. The second one is Venus. Venus is Earth's closest planetary neighbor and the second planet from the Sun. It is sometimes referred to as Earth's twin due to its size and density. Even though Mercury is closest to the Sun, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Its surface temperature is approximately 475 degrees Celsius. The third one is Earth. Earth is our home planet, the third planet from the Sun. It's composed of various elements, primarily rock and water, and its atmosphere is the only place we know of that can sustain and support life. Earth is the largest of the 4 closest planets to the Sun, which are all made of rock and metal. The fourth one is Mars. Mars, often called the Red Planet, is the 4th planet from the Sun in our solar system. Mars has a thin atmosphere, primarily composed of carbon dioxide, and experiences extreme temperature fluctuations, along with having seasons, polar ice caps, canyons, and extinct volcanoes. Mars is dynamic. The fifth one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's recognized for its immense size, with our diameter over 11 times that of Earth. This gas giant has powerful magnetic field, visible storms like the Great Red Spot, and a system of moons, the 4 largest of which are known as the Galilean moons. The sixth one is Saturn. Saturn, often called the jewel of the solar system, is the second largest planet and is known for its beautiful and prominent ring system. Saturn is a gas giant primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. Its rings are made up of countless particles of ice and dust, creating a breathtaking sight when viewed. The seventh one is Uranus. The 7th planet from the Sun is Uranus. Like Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus has an atmosphere composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, but it also contains methane. Uranus rotates on its side, making its axis almost parallel to its orbital plane, which contributes to its unique seasons. The 8th one is Neptune. Neptune, the 8th planet in our solar system, is primarily known for its bluish hue and is recognized as an ice giant due to its composition of icy substances. It's the most distant planet in our solar system. The planet has 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest and most well known among them. Like, subscribe, and share.